Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing this. I got the Undertone Nudes in the mail today and that is what we're going to be trying out. So if you want to see how I got this look and what I think about the lipsticks and a little bit of a swatchy, then just keep on watching. So it looks a little bit different here. I'm not centered either, but that's okay. We're just gonna leave it like that. Today I have a super exciting video and I'm sorry that I've been gone for so long, and I'm also sorry that the video that I come back with is with the same brand, but what can I say, I love them, and they're also the only ones that send me PR, so I gotta take advantage, you know? This is the Melt Cosmetics Undertone Nudes collection. How stunning is this? Oh my god. I have been trying to figure out when their launch date is. They didn't even know when their launch date was, I don't think, when they started sending out their PR. So it sounds like it's going to be August 9th, I think. I will probably put that in the description box because I'm too lazy to try to search for it right now. But I am going to tell you what they told me in my little card. So it says, "Hi Brittany, we're so excited for you to try our collection of Undertone Nudes. These liquid lippies are not your typical nudes since they are inspired by foundation. We hope you love them, babe. XO Melt Team, hashtag Melt Undertone Nudes." That's one thing I like about Melt is like they have a brand specific hashtag for each product. That's the word. So this one's hashtag Undertone Nudes, and if you were to use, say, the ginger lipstick, you could probably use hashtag Melt Ginger, something along those lines. And I feel like they always see your posts because of that, and I don't know, I just really like how they do things. I also really love the idea that inspired this collection and the fact that the different undertones kind of complement the different undertones of foundations. So if you have really, really deep skin and you want something that's super, super dark and sexy and you'd want to go with this one right here at the end. And if you were really pale and you have a yellow undertone and you just kind of want to go straight yellow, this guy. But another thing that I really enjoy about them is that they said you can mix them. So maybe this one is a little bit too dark for you, either of them, and maybe you want them to be a little bit more red toned and you have a really rich, warm red undertone, then it would be perfect for you to mix in some ginger, and it will give it a little bit of that oomph, that red that you were looking for. So I think the idea is really awesome. I love their formula. I love how they smell. I love how they look. I love this packaging. I was just super excited when I saw this, especially because these are my colors, okay? All of them. They're all my colors. These are what I go for. I go for caramels. I go for warms. I don't like the peachy pinks. I don't like, I mean, not that I don't like them, I just don't wear them. So this is gonna get so much use out of me. Out of me? What? So I already did my base because I really want the star of the show to be the lips. But because of the mixing and matching aspect, I already kind of have an idea in mind of what I want to do, and they are going to complement my Impulsive palette. Impulsive, because she's a babe. Hear me out. I want to Boss Lady, Bold, this one right here, and then 2012, and then, oops, I want to one of these dark ones and this yellow one. And I want to mix them, and I want to do a complementary, like I want them to complement each other and basically be the same. And if you didn't understand what I just said, then you'll figure it out when I do it. So let's get there, let's do it. These are the mirrors I use to do my makeup, because if I don't wear my contacts, in case you didn't know, and I do need them. So my mirror If I were to actually be looking at my mirror doing my makeup, I would have to be right here. Hi. That's why I use my Melt Compacts. They're just the perfect size. Wow, this one, why is it so dirty? Start with Bold and start buffing that into the crease. And I think I'm actually going to turn on a little bit of tunes. I'm going to speed this up for you. So after I blend out Bold, I'm going to deepen it up with Boss Lady, cut the crease, and pop in that yellow. Bada bing, bada boom. So, I am back with a little bit of yellow blush, some highlighter, I've got my lashes on, so I'm feeling good. I just kind of want to maybe clean up a little bit. I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder, because I don't use it very much anymore, but good for baking. And so is this sponge. This is the Morphe Beauty sponge. Oh no. My bronzer brush. Make sure there's not too much bronzer left on it still. Just clean that up. See how almost instantly it works? That's why it's really good for baking. As long as you don't wait too long, because I think it would definitely leave flashback. It's not really supposed to be a baking powder, I don't think. But wow, it works like instantly. And that's also a good reason to use your powder brush, whatever you used for bronzer or foundation, powder foundation, whatever it may be, because then you can try to make it a little bit less hard. I really left it on there for like 2 seconds, you guys saw me. So I did my eyes kind of like I said. I didn't cut the crease because I'm lazy, but I feel like it's really, really pretty. And I put Poppin' Bottles on my inner corner, which is that pretty shifty sparkly green. It's one of my favorite shades in the Impulsive palette. I use it a ton. I think I want to go with not the one that's the darkest, because I think the brown one would match a little bit better. And then I'm going to put some of the yellow in the middle. I'm going to grab these guys out. I don't remember the names of them, that's why I'm not saying them, but I will tell you when I pull them out, and I'll swatch them at the end and everything like that. So. These that I want to use are Chestnut and Golden. I think Golden might be my favorite one because it's just so unique. Alrighty, so we're going to start with Chestnut, obviously. Now, honestly, this part is the hardest to do on camera because I'm not good on looks. This is with no lip liner because I don't have one that would match really. So we are going to throw Golden in the center, pat it out, and get a little ombre effect here. Have like the tiny little slit where you can see the color, and then you can also see melt right there. So let's start with Ebony, which should be the darkest one. That one's Ebony. Now we want to do Chestnut. Next is Ginger. This one is Fawn. And then this one is Golden. So that right there is the whole Undertone Nude collection. Alright guys, so that is the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked the little tutorial on the eye look, and I hope you enjoyed this lip combo. I'm kind of digging it. I've never done it before. I think I could have lined my lips a little bit better, but not bad for not using a lip liner and basically slapping it on. It didn't take very long. Like I said, the formula is thin, so I find it very easy to work with. You can layer it. It doesn't feel heavy. I just really like their formula, and I really love the idea of this collection. I love that there's something for everybody. Like Ebony, I think is very deep, and I think that that is amazing. For people who have deeper skin tones, I think Ebony is going to be amazing, and I also think that if maybe you want something a little warmer, toss in a little bit of Ginger. Maybe if you want something cool toned, toss in a little bit of Fawn. I just love the idea. I love how they mix together, and yeah, I really like this look. This was exactly what I envisioned. As soon as they said mix them to get different tones or whatever, I was like, I know what I want to do. This. If you want to check out a similar look or how to use this palette or anything like that, check out my last video where I do a tutorial on this palette, and then check out my Instagram because I have a ton of looks using this palette. So yeah, thank you so much, Melt, for sending me this collection. It blows me away every time I receive it in the mail. I feel so lucky and blessed, and the Melt fam, they treat you right. That's all I gotta say. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you made it this long, then you are a real one. Leave me a comment. How about a yellow heart? Let's do yellow hearts because of, what is this one called? Oh my god. What are you called again? Oh my god, that's the wrong side and I literally can't remember. Oh, golden. It's called golden. Yes, leave me a yellow heart to know that you made it to the end of the video and that you liked it. Give me a thumbs up, and I can't wait to hang out with you again in my next video. Bye!